You just found the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.